to make sourdough bread, for those who want to make starter from scratch, it is a matter of taking about a fortnight, feeding into a clean container 50 grams of flour and 50 grams of water. Mix it up. The next day, add another 50 grams of flour and water. Mix it up. The next day, as I said before, throw most of that out. Because if you didn't, you've actually got 200 grams of starter. If you started with 50 grams of each, 100 grams flour plus water, 200 grams, you should be adding 200 grams of flour and 200 grams of water, which then makes it 600 grams. Yeah. The next day you would have to add 600 grams of flour and 600 grams of water. Mad.
By this time you're doing it in the bath.
Correct. So if you throw away little bits often, you only have to keep feeding small amounts. And as I said before, after about 4 or 5 days you will get lots of activity and lots of bubbles and you think you have succeeded, but it is the wrong critters in charge. You have to wait for them to die off and another lot of acid-loving ones to come in charge. And so this is why it takes nearly 2 weeks of feed, throw it out, feed, throw it out, feed, throw it out. And then if it doubles in size with your rubber band around your jar, overnight, let's say, in 8 to 12 hours, then you know it's ready to go. But it's still a juvenile. It's not a mature, strong, well-flavoured starter until you've used it a fair few times. But it is ready to start making bread. But as I said, try and use all of the starter. Don't hang on to terribly much or you do end up building up a lake. When you do feed it, you are supposed to feed it 1 part starter and at least 1 part flour and 1 part water, but maybe more if you want more starter. But if you only feed it 1 part starter, 1/4 of a part of flour and water, it's rations. It's not going to grow fast.
But this is mature good starter.
It's ready to go, yes. So you don't have to do any of that 2-week stuff if you take this home and maintain it. But it's just, if you happen to want to tick it off your list of, I have done this, you can.
So you can put this in the fridge and leave it on?
You can all go home, put this in the fridge with the lid just sitting on, and then leave it for a week or 2 weeks till you are ready to make bread again. When you have finally got some really active starter that makes lovely bread, dry some of your starter. Everyone says they killed their starter and all is over. But when you have really active starter, all you have to do is take 1 or 2 tablespoons of it, spread it very thinly on baking paper, seriously thinly, let it dry overnight, and when it's bone dry, crumble it up and put it in a jar.
Wow.
It will keep for years.
Oh.
And so you then need a couple of flakes of that, not all of it, just a couple of flakes will start again.
And keep it out, is it?
Yeah.